Hello everyone, it's Heather from Heather Travels, and I am here today to give you a room tour of our room at the Best Western in St. Ignace, Michigan. This is kind of combination hotel motel. It's a very nice property. It's either been completely renovated, I think it's been completely renovated, and very recently. It looks brand spanking new and it is beautiful. We have a walkout room right on the water, which I will show you in a little bit. We are in the Ontario building. There are several buildings on this property, which I will show you right now. We're in the farthest away building from the main road and the farthest away from the main lobby building and closest to the water. This hotel does have a grab-and-go breakfast right now. It also has a indoor and outdoor pools, both heated, and it has a bonfire at night at 8:30. So let me give you a tour. I'm going to start out in the hallway. Okay, we came from that way, and down there on the right is the door to outside to the parking lot, and there's an elevator, but we're on the first floor. This is the hallway. The carpet is brand new. The whole place smells new. It smells freshly painted. We're in room 153. This entire property is completely smoke and pet free, which we appreciate because of, Ben's allergies. Here is the map. So you come in the door here, and then we're just down here a little ways. And here is the bathroom. I mean, everything is freshly painted. The flooring is brand new. There's like this faux wood floor here, and then really nice new carpet over in the bedroom area. It's a very spacious room. So there's kind of an open closet here. There's an iron and an ironing board. There's a hairdryer up there. There's a luggage rack back there behind our suitcases. Nice. My Lysol wipes, because you already know if you've been watching my videos for a while that I always check my room for bed bugs, which I did. I don't even know if anybody's ever slept in this room yet, or at least not since the pandemic started. But this is a new thing I have to do, which is after I checked that, I sterilized every touch surface with my Lysol wipes. So, I mean, the room is very clean, but I went through and did all the light switches, the sink, the doorknobs, the telephone, the remote, all that stuff. So nice. Kind of marble or foam marble sink top, big mirror. Hello. And then over here is the inner bathroom, getting by the light, with a vent that turns on automatically. There's the toilet, like pine needle artwork vents, but I mean, that looks new. The ventilation system looks new. Nice curved shower rod, and a combination tub shower that's absolutely spotless. Ben pointed out that this is our first time staying in a hotel since the pandemic started. We were wearing masks. Everybody working at the hotel was wearing masks. There was a very obnoxious group of people standing outside the front door of this building who kind of swarmed us, none of whom were wearing masks, and who were talking about how they thought the whole thing was a joke. So that was not very pleasant. But here's an overview of the room. And you can see the kids outside in our walkout patio there by the lake. Nice big full-length mirror here. We got this room for $136 with tax. tonight. It's a Monday in June. Nice big bench here with the stuff sitting on it. And then there's a dresser with 3 drawers, a mini fridge, coffee stuff, and lots of coffee stuff, and a coffee maker. There's a microwave and the TV. That's Megan's charging cord sitting there in her external charger. And then there are an abundance of chairs. We each get our own chair. This is nice. This is like faux velvety stuff and like faux leather. 2 armchairs here by the table with Kleenex, phone, another lamp, and then nautical artwork. Nice kind of seafoam green painted feature wall. 2 queen beds. Big new headboards. All of this is obviously very new. Oh, I think I smudged that a little when I was cleaning. Alarm clock. There's a takeout pizza place. The TV listings. 3 plugs here. There are and another plug here. No, USB ports. 1 bedside drawer and a shelf. And then there's another armchair over here with a big ottoman, so that's really nice, and another lamp, and a lovely picture of boats. And then we have a walkout patio, and I do want to point out that there was a safety bar that I had to drop down, to keep the sliding glass door extra secure. And we'll go out here. So there's the kids, and out there, is that Mackinac Island? Or no, that might be Mackinac Island. Gosh, it's been so long since I've been here, I can't remember. There is a large flock of geese right over here at our little private beach. But they're getting back in the water now. And then we have 2 nice chairs out here. Big chairs. Very nice, spacious patio. I almost wish now we were staying here more than one night, but we're staying here one night and on the island for 2 nights. That's our room. This is looking back at the Ontario building. So the Ontario building is all these rooms. I don't know if there's also rooms that don't face the water or not. I don't think so. And there's another low motel building over there. There's the geese. Somebody built this. I don't know how you do that. That looks really hard to me. Thanks everyone for joining me for this room tour. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy hotel room tours like this, I'll link the playlist of all my hotel room tours at the end of this video. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone, and safe travels.